with good care. We're here to help the farmer. Here we are, Vemedim, with good care. We're here to help the farmer. Here we are, Vemedim, Vemedim, friend of farmers.
Vemedim is Vietnam's leading manufacturer of healthcare products for poultry, livestock, and aquatic animals. Vemedim specializes in manufacturing various kinds of veterinary medicines, conforming to international standard WHO GMP. Vemedim manufactures more than 400 products of over 500 categories, meeting the requirements of the animal health industry domestically and abroad. Our product range consists of antibiotics, antiphlogistic, vitamins, premixes, enzymes, biological preparations, anti-parasite, hormones, disinfectants, and environmental treatment of the latest generation for poultry, livestock, and aquatic animals. The animal health products of Vemedim are not only available and distributed by branches and agents all over the country from Lang Son to Cam Mau province, but are also exported to 22 countries across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America. Vemedim is the first company in the veterinary pharmaceutical industry to be granted the following certificates by international organizations: ISO 9001-2000 Quality Management System, in WHO GMP Good Manufacturing Practices, ISO 17025 GLP Good Manufacturing Practices, ISO 14001 Environment Management System. Vemedim applies good storage practices. To apply and operate the above management systems and international standards successfully, the important and decisive factor for the success of Vemedim is human resources. The company staff consists of PhDs, Masters of Science, and engineers of the following majors: animal husbandry, aquaculture, Bachelor of Chemistry, graduate pharmacists. All of them have received their training domestically and abroad. With the motto, always focus on customer satisfaction and be more and more perfect, Vemedim has applied the most modern scientific research to create good quality products. That is the responsibility and mission of Vemedim in order to contribute to the economic development of the country. The process of shaping and creating new products of Vemedim goes through various phases, starting from standard pharmaceutical formulas applied all over the world, or starting from exchanges with agencies, customers, farmers. Then, the information about new product creation will be collected and forwarded to the R&D department. The R&D department is the main force creating new products required by farmers, as well as the timely prevention and treatment of diseases. With the staff in charge of research and development, including university graduates, masters and doctors of philosophy, modern material facilities and state-of-the-art equipment, R&D department has researched and created new, effective products of high quality, bringing practical benefits to the livestock and aquaculture farmers. In addition, the R&D department also collaborates with top scientists from well-known universities in Vietnam as consultants for the company in scientific research activities to create new products of good quality. These scientists are Professor Dr. Nguyen Tan Phuong, Head of Fisheries Faculty, Can Tho University; Professor Dr. Vo Van Son, Vice Head of Faculty of Agriculture and Applied Biology, Can Tho University; Professor Dr. Tran Den Yu and Dr. Nguyen Van Can, Ho Chi Minh City University of Agriculture and Forestry; Professor Dr. Trung Quang, Hanoi University of Agriculture 1, and centers and institutes such as Da Lat Pasteur Institute, Institute of Agricultural Sciences for Southern Vietnam. The scientists have collaborated with Vemedim's experts to research and discuss new good quality products to meet the requirements of animal husbandry and aquaculture. After receiving new product requirements from the sales department, the R&D department will plan and research the following processes of creating new products. The research project consists of the following contents: formulation, active ingredients, dosage form, specific requirements, treatment effectiveness, stability, new product target, period of time required. Product planning and research will be examined and approved by the board of directors and scientific consultants before proceeding. After a period of research, the new product will proceed with pilot preparation. The R&D department will check its chemo-physical properties, analyze the concentrations of active ingredients, and study the product stability based on Vietnam Pharmacopoeia, British and United Pharmacopoeia. When the theoretical research of the new product is successful, the R&D department will write a manufacturing procedure for laboratory scale. Production at laboratory scale will be checked and proved by scientific experiments, tested for its properties, efficacy, and safety for animals. Testing and experiments will be carried out at Vemedim's experimental farms with a total area of over 5,000 square meters, which can hold many types of livestock, poultry, and aquatic animals. Once the experimental results are obtained and a product's stability and other trials for clinical treatment efficacy are determined, the R&D department will release a manufacturing procedure for the new product and transfer it to the Quality Assurance Department to proceed with preparation and officially put the product into production. The Quality Assurance Department, QA department, manages all product quality related issues. The QA department is invested with state-of-the-art equipment imported from advanced countries such as the United States, Japan, and European countries. QA department is also a venue where many well-qualified staff of pharmacists, masters of science, and higher work. The QA department scientists will carry out product preparation procedures. After being prepared, the product will be tested for identification, assay, pH, and many other complicated testing phases before it is delivered to the production unit for filling and packaging. The preparation unit of Vemedim conforms to WHO GMP guidelines, ensuring cleanliness and sterility, according to international stipulations. Filling equipments are suitable for each area, assuring HEPA filling to reach 99.9% cleanliness levels. The preparation procedure is carried out following WHO GMP guidelines. Raw materials, strictly controlled as stipulated. Weighing of raw materials. Preparation supervised and monitored by quality control staff. After preparation, semi-finished products are carefully checked with the various specifications such as identification, assay, pH, color, appearance, humidity, following WHO GMP guidelines, assuring the quality as declared. Semi-finished products conforming to standards will be transferred to the responsible production workshop. Vemedim has invested millions of US dollars in the construction of new production facilities, with a total floor area of over 5,000 meters squared. This is the most modern factory of its kind in Vietnam. Vemedim has 10 manufacturing workshops including injectable, oral, powder for injection, beta-lactam, probiotics, disinfectant, and other related workshops. The workshops are designed, constructed, and operated according to WHO GMP standards and organized suitable to each category of product. With manufacturing procedures conforming to WHO GMP and ISO, Vemedim has created a product range of stable and good quality up to international standards. The whole process of product creation is subject to strict controls and supervision from the Quality Control Department. With a scientific group of pharmacists, masters of science and chemistry, the QC department controls all the manufacturing procedures for the products of WHO GMP standards. QC department controls incoming and outgoing raw materials, phases of preparation, semi-finished products, finished products, filling and packaging operations until the products are stored in warehouse. QC department applies advanced and accurate testing methods conforming to WHO GMP standards. Vemedim's laboratory is certified to conform to ISO IEC 17025 and is allowed to use the VLAS 139 stamp, with which the test reports will be valid in 42 countries around the world. Vemedim's laboratory is operated and managed by specialists of good and independent testing competence, assuring the testing of all incoming raw materials according to approved standards. 100% of semi-finished and finished products retained samples are properly tested before going to the market. The laboratory of Vemedim is continuously improved with modern equipment such as ELISA, PCR, HPLC, UV-VIS spectrophotometer, automatic potentiometric titrator. The laboratory also joins skilled testing programs organized by the National Testing Institute to make sure the products are of identical quality and of safety to animals. In addition to investing in modern equipment, collaborating with top experts of the veterinary and aquaculture pharmaceutical industry, Vemedim participates in direct supporting activities to farmers, holding regular seminars domestically and abroad. Vemedim is a main sponsor for the TV program Friend of Farmers, aired monthly on Vietnam television channel in Kinta City. This TV program is very necessary and brings useful information to farmers in the prevention and treatment of animals and aquaculture, transferring timely scientific advances in animal husbandry and contributing to the success of the farmers. Therefore, the program has drawn great support and attention of many farmers in many provinces and cities. Besides, the website of Vemedim helps answer the questions of the farmers and customers during their production and trading, and instantly introduces new effective products and scientific and technological advances in the field of animal husbandry and aquaculture. The Vemedim brand is always invited by prestigious local and foreign organizers to participate in international exhibitions in Thailand, China, Russia, Turkey, Egypt, and the United States. These are very good opportunities for Vemedim to further introduce and promote its products abroad. Visiting Vemedim's head office and its factory, you will feel the importance of the environment and its clean, green, and beautiful workspace. Vemedim always concentrates on a better environment and strictly follows the requirements of ISO 14001, protecting the living and working environment for the employees and the resident community. Until now, Vemedim is always loyal to its quality policy, mainly oriented to the benefits of the farmers. Vemedim's commitments: always assure the product quality according to declared standards. Always listen to comments of customers and farmers to improve and diversify its products. Always train and retrain its management staff and workers to meet the demanding needs and expectations of customers. Utilize all available resources to build, carry out, maintain, and continually improve quality management systems in accordance with WHO, GMP guidelines, and other standards. Vemedim is a prestigious brand favored by farmers all over the country. Over a number of years, they have nominated and elected Vemedim to be the top company in the livestock and aquaculture industry for the Vietnam Good Quality Award. Vemedim products are also accepted by demanding international markets. Vemedim deserves to be the friend of farmers.